Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Let's talk about luxury vinyl flooring that's available from Sailrite. We have several brands. This is the mesh material that has a backing that makes great flooring for all kinds of applications. You can cut it with scissors, but in this very short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can cut it with a Sailrite cordless rotary cutter. It cuts beautifully with this. So that's what we're going to show you now. So this is the luxury flooring that we're cutting to size. You can see there's a soft backing, and you can see the vinyl mesh on the top. We're going to turn it so the vinyl outside surface is facing down. Now we've already used a T-square to straighten the cut edge to make sure that it's perfectly straight, and we used the cordless rotary cutter for that. We've marked it to size, and we're going to strike lines where we need to cut it to our original size that's desired. You can mark on this stuff with a permanent marker beautifully. A little tour of the tool. It has rollers on the bottom side so it glides easily. The on-off button is here. Just turn it on and then hold down this button at the top for a few seconds and the LED light turns on. Click this button twice, or even more if you want the blade to spin fast. I'm just going to click it twice. Now watch how beautifully this stuff cuts. Again, you can use scissors to cut this stuff, but man, I could be really precise with this now. And it just is a very nice, clean cut. Wow. I'm going to leave the tool there and just move my fabric back so I can get my flat surface to work on. Then I'll turn it back on again, turn on my light.
At the Sailrite website, type in flooring under the search to find the many types of luxury vinyl flooring that's available. You'll also find the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter there as well under the SKU number. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or email us. We're glad to help. I'm Eric Grant. Thanks for watching.